Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. Welcome back to the channel, Wagwan Tours. We're in the lovely Albufeira and we're going to take a beach walk and we're in the lovely new town. So let's see Wagwan. So yeah, a lot of seaweed. I'm going to try and step over that. Without sounding stupid, the seaweed is definitely making it smell like you're at the beach. But yeah, really nice weather. Height of the season, so it's quite busy. Might be able to see Kirk up there. We're just staying at that little bar, had a beer. And I thought I'd come and take a little beach walk and see Wagwan. Show you guys what there is. It's just gone 12, so it's that sort of peak, almost sort of like lunchtime. I suppose it's sort of technically lunchtime. But yeah, like I said, a lot of seaweed. A lot going on. Thought I'd take you guys for a little wander. So yeah, do comment below if you're going away this summer. Where are you going? Where do you hope to see us go? It's really sad actually to think the summer's coming to an end. I know it's sort of like July, but it's like mid to end July. I'd say probably end of July. And yeah, it's all like a little bit like, oh. Summer is my favourite time. I do love autumn, it's when I'm born. And I love autumn in the UK. I do love the change of that season, and it can still be quite nice. And it's got that sort of cosy atmosphere. As soon as that winter hits, I do get those winter blues. I do need to be out of the country and someone that's got sun, just for my my own well-being. We've got a mermaid. There we go. Mermaids do exist. I don't know if you can see that. Right, hang on. You saw out of the camera, so you guys can see. There we go. So yeah, so Portugal, Albufeira, taking a little wander. Very seaweed. A lot of like families. We are in the new town, so it's a little bit more like a younger crowd. Got yourself some seagulls there, just chilling. Probably waiting for someone to stop and give them some lunch. So you've got all your like water sports and everything. Got your, I'm thinking that's a kayak. Might be a canoe. And then you've got your lilos, not your lilos, pedlos. And then out there, you've got everything you need. Just stop for a second. Show you guys around. Right, let's keep going. Onwards. So yeah, the water looks lovely. So we come out of like the seaweed. Oh my God, they're so cold. We were just in Greece the other week and the water was nice and warm. The water here is a lot chillier, so when it does get to those sort of like really roasting days, that water will definitely release you and give you a nice little cool down. Show you guys where it come from. Yeah, Portugal's known for its golden sand and beaches. Just gonna keep walking around because there's a really nice beach here. And I went here last year, probably like late last year. And I had like a completely different camera, really new at this, and I did not get my shot. So this is like a redeeming moment. If you're new to the channel, check out the footage for Albufeira. We do have plenty of it. So if you are looking to come at different times of the year, you can see what suits you. This is peak season. We are in the heart of summer. It's a lot busier. See that gorgeous water. Coming through. I'm going to go like behind these little rocks. Ooh, try and do a nice fancy camera roll. So there's like nice little coves, which I really like about these sort of little beaches, which is really nice. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get through the next one because it seems like the water's a little bit high. Higher than the last time that I came. And it's like a little hidden cave there. Oh, maybe my ankles are really cold. So as you can see, absolutely gorgeous. The water is a little bit chilly. Not gonna lie, it's a little bit cold. But then when it's like roasting hot, I guess that's what you want. I've been used to like a little bit more of a warmer ocean where we've been in sort of like the Greek islands. Just gonna walk along this bit. So we're going to go up those stairs there and I'll show you more of the promenade, but just so you guys can see the sort of beach area. Really, really nice. Really, really pretty. And then we're probably going to take a walk over to Old Town and show you that sort of area. So I can feel that sun getting a lot hotter now, so it's just coming up for 12:30, almost 1 o'clock. So it's getting to that more hotter part of the day. So you've got the MGM ground there. You also have another one down that side. Nice little bar restaurant over there. Okay. It's a little viewpoint here. Let's have a little wander up. May as well show you the viewpoint. So it does go all the way round. If you do check out our other content, we have got videos showing that. So if you're curious, take a butcher's at our Portugal footage. We've also done Faro, which is where we landed yesterday. And then we spent about an hour or so there. Got the bus, oh not the bus, sorry, tell a lie. We got a taxi, so we do Bolt, a lot cheaper, to here, to our hotel, which is in Newtown. Which has been really fun actually, because we got like a huge young crowd at our hotel. We're used to staying sort of Old Town, sorry. So we usually stay like Vegas, around that area. But it's more sort of like, I suppose, our age range and a little bit more family orientated. But this side is all just young. So yeah, if you're a student right now, if you're someone looking for a little bit of a fun location to unwind, celebrate the fact that you finished your exams, you're about to go to uni, or you finished your first year, second year, whatever it is, this is such a fun little place to come. You're going to have such a good time. Newtown, I'd advise to stay in. This is your beach and your little area, and you're going to be in really good company. Do look out on the channel for drink prices. We have got a lot of nightlife footage for this time of year, just to show you what you can expect to be spending, and the prices are really affordable. So if you are sort of a little bit like, oh, didn't get a lot of work done, haven't got a lot of pennies, I think you're going to be fine here for the age range. And then, like I said, later on, we'll check out the Old Town and see what that has to offer. So you've got a little sort of like a restaurant here, somewhere to get some brunch, lunch. Like I said, we're sort of creeping into that sort of time of the day now. Really nice. Hello. Nice big restaurant. Got that gorgeous view of the beach. Do all your cocktails. Up there is towards the strip. We just came down from there. Got this little place where you can get some ice cream, get your crepes, your waffles. And like I said, up there, you've got the strip. So it's quite a walk up. We're not going to go that way up. We're going to go towards Old Town. But if you're going towards Newtown Strip, that's where you're going to be headed. Let's have a look at some of these prices. Not bad. It's all pretty average, to be fair. Lots of ways to get down to the beach where I just came from. So yeah, like I said, the sun's really coming out now. I really like the fact that you've got like a bit more of a cooler morning and a cooler evening. Gives you a little bit of relief when you've been in the sun all day. Where we just came from in Rhodes, it was like a scorcher from the moment you got out of bed to the moment you went into bed, which was very much needed. But it's also nice, hello, to get a little bit of a relief from it as well. It's got another little restaurant here, Vivaldo's. Hello. Again, somewhere to get your sort of food all day, chill and relax. And then we're just coming up to another MGM on the corner. Don't want to get in the way of the family photo there. Right, I'm going to wrap this up because I'm going to go finish off my beer. Had a really nice little walk along the beach. I'm going to head towards the Old Town. So we'll take you guys along with me. Don't forget to like, subscribe. It really does help put our content out. If you are liking the work that we do, ring the little bell and then you don't miss a video. And I'll see you guys on the next one.